Item 16, yesterday's battle. My, my apologies, my lord. Yesterday, I could not point out to my lords that who is appearing for the corporation. Is Mr. Soumik Tripathi. He is appearing for the corporation. He has been authorized and he has also filed wakalatnama beforehand. Well,
May I please, Your Lordship?
today he is filing the counter affidavit.
At the very outset, my lords, I will accept my apology, my lords, for the inconvenience caused to the honorable court yesterday, lordships. This came the special list, my lord. I missed my mind matter, my lord. It's all my fault, my lords. It's my sincere apology, my lord. Lordships, as per the last undertaking, my lords, we have filed a counter affidavit, my lords. Nothing, most of the documents are already read petitions, just to show that most of the documents are already in the read petitions, my lord. We have filed this counter affidavit, my lord. So lordship may kindly accept it. Lordships, we are just showing some more documents, my lord, which will demonstrate that there is no mala fide. This was contended by the petitioner, and the thorough process of evaluation was conducted. And after that, the price bid was opened.
No, they are raising a point, if I correctly understood, yesterday on a very, I think, the finer or thinner proposition. They say that there is no dispute from the tender document that the participants have to show that they have their US FDA or
certificate.
That certification.
US FDA.
So they say that the certificate number which they disclosed, the successful bidder, after the verification was found to have been given to a company which is
Shanghai,
which is registered or operating in Shanghai,
right?
Not in India. So it does not belong to the manufacturer of India,
right,
who has given a certificate. So if the manufacturer has not got that particular certificate, can he give a declaration 87, which is the requirement, that I have been given this certificate? He cannot use a certificate issued to some other company outside the country.
Certainly, madam.
So say that the entire thing is not in compliance with the requirement of the tender, and therefore you ought to have disqualified him.
Right.
I would.
So that was the question Your Lordship asked me yesterday. Can I explain it, man? Because I am the person who actually got the tender.
You could not explain because your juniors were not assisting you.
Well, now I can explain today.
Lordship, before going to the merit, my lords, before going into the merit of the case, my lords, I would like to assist.
Merit. This is the only point.
The only point. That's right.
There is a preliminary objection, my lords. This writ petitions could not have been it's not maintainable, my lords, because the writ petition has been filed by somebody who has not been authorized by the board of directors, my lords.
Oh,
that's a preliminary objection only, man.
Are you a shareholder of the company? Are you a director of the company? Are you anyhow associated with the company? It is their internal management, the affairs. And there are categories of judgment which says that these are all, they will come with a resolution, board resolution.
That's what the Honorable High Court, our High Court and on the Apex Court
also it says it's not a fatal one.
Yes, certainly. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
That they've got nothing to say on merit.
Yes, my lord.
And
yes, my lord.
87 Supreme
Liberty has been given, my lord.
Yeah, 1987 Supreme Court or 97 Supreme Court?
87.
It's not fatal.
My lord, I'll just explain your lordship's query, my lord. Well, if your lordship permit me, my lord, I'll take 2 minutes to explain.
No, he's come with the enormous reposition of the energy.
Usually I'll be affected, my lord. That's funny.
Yes, ma'am. Lordships, the tender terms and conditions, my lord. That's a clause V of clause 7 of the NIT, my lords. That's page 117 of the paper books. Lordship,
I'll read that.
Yes, ma'am. I will just trouble my lordship with the 4 lines.
You were not there. There was a threadbare argument on that. Please read 107, 17, 107, 156 or a 55, Read those.
I'm just assisting my honorable court. Just give me 5 minutes, my lord.
Mr. Chatterjee, probably, I think the corridor is the best place for argument.
Point number one, my lord.
Unfortunately, in Calcutta High Court, my lord, is going on full-fledged today, my lord. There is no empty courtroom at all. I'm sorry, my lord, but I really couldn't find a place. I'm really sorry.
Yes, my lord. Page 117, my lords. The first condition, the quoted model. Lordship, may I lay emphasis? The quoted model should be US FDA and UC certified, my lords. What the petitioner is trying to confuse the honorable court with a submission that the manufacturer is supposed to have the US FDA certification, my lords. What clause point 1 says, my lords, it's the quoted model that should be US FDA and UC certified, my lords. And to show that.
What does it mean? The certification is optional.
No, my lord, not at all. I'm coming to the point.
And the successful bidder is also saying that yes, but I have quoted it.
Certainly, my lords. I'm coming that, my lords. First, the model. The model is an ultrasound machine, my lords. That's a 70 affinity ultrasound machine by Philips. Lords, you may come to page 732. That's a US FDA. I will just assist the honorable court directly with respect to the pages, my lord. Page 732, that is a US FDA certification, my lord.
By whom? By whom?
By US FDA.
7 for by whom? 732?
732 by the US FDA, my lord.
US FDA is that they have given this number.
My lords, US FDA?
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
What is this? 732?
This is the US FDA certification with respect to the particular model, which is Affinity 70 diagnostic ultrasound machine, my lord. This is the US FDA certification for the particular model. That's the ultrasound machine we are supplying, my lord.
No, actually, he was not there yesterday's leadership. What the question?
This is what let me understand that where he is heading.
Right.
Then I will put a pertinent question to it.
And next comes to the UC certificate, my lords. That's a page 805.
Tell me, is the certificate a mandatory requirement?
Yes, my lord.
Right. Any distributor or the manufacturer who intend to participate must show that he has the certificate.
Yes, my lord.
What certificate number they disclosed in their bid document?
I'm reading from the bid document only, my lord.
I'm asking, I understand. It was all argued. What number was disclosed in the bid document? K182, if I correctly remember by this.
Sir, that is the device number.
857 or what?
So that is the device number. K182857.
So his memory has
right. Your Lordship, right to remember.
Still there, it seems.
Now, once that means that this is what a USFT is certification number.
My lord.
He has disclosed the document in the writ petition at page 400 or something. What is this?
So 833 and 730. 833.
Please read that document. That's a long downloaded server copy.
833.
Please read.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Do you find that particular number there? K182857.
What I'm submitting,
do you please?
No, my lord.
Did you find that number?
Huh?
No, my lord.
It is there.
Did you find the number?
No,
it's submission number K1185857, my lord. 18285.
Same number.
My lord.
Just a little above. Establishment name. What is
Philips Ultrasound Shanghai.
So it is given to Philips Ultrasound Shanghai Limited, who is registered office at Shanghai, who is registered company at Shanghai, and not in India. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it does not belong to a company, maybe a Philips, main subsidiary or a parent, incorporated in India.
My lord.
If it is not if it is incorporated in India, he must have a separate number. That is what they say.
That is their argument.
That's their wrong submission, my lord.
That is,
Mr. Mishro, I am conscious.
Sir.
That's why I say that is what they say.
Yes,
I have conscious
Sir.
because I find it's a point of debate.
Sir.
So that's why I anticipate.
Sir.
This is what they say, that this does not belong to Philips India Limited,
my lord.
but a Shanghai Limited.
My lord.
Right? So they have misquoted that particular certificate now. If it does not belong to the manufacturer, then the distributor, he cannot use that, because T7 form, which is next to the tender document, requires a certificate by a manufacturer.
Now coming to it.
Right. So he raises the doubt or suspicion, rather I'd say, not doubt, a suspicion that he is not entitled, having not complied that mandatory law.
My lords. Now, my lord, what's a US FDA certification, my lords? US FDA certification is the quality certification, my lord, which is given to a product. It's a product specific certification. So any certificate given by the US FDA is pertaining to the particular machine, that is the 70 affinity Philips in the instant case, my lord. So it's a global certification.
That means I accept. That means the ones they have given a certificate to a particular product, then it is irrelevant that this product is manufactured in any corner of the globe. It will automatically have an implied certification of US FDA.
No.
Is it what I'm saying, US FDA certification?
I have a greatest of doubts.
US FDA certification is there are given qualities that has to be followed for particular product, my lords. That's why it's like India ISI certifications that US FDA.
Again, I'm saying that whoever is manufacturing, he has to obtain a certificate.
What I'm differentiating, my lords, what I'm trying to assist the Honorable Court. Lordships, we are at a case, my lords, the clause 7, my lord, that differentiate between two things, my lord. First, certification with respect to product. Second comes, my lord, certification with respect to the manufacturer. All those conditions have been mentioned in the clause 7, my lord. Maybe
I do not find it.
I'm coming, my lord. Lordships may kindly come to that annexure again, my lord.
Yes,
I'm just trouble, my lord.
You are interpreting in a, I would say.
I'm just trying to assist my lord. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, wait, page
117, my lord.
Yes.
The tender terms and condition, ma'am.
Yes.
First one, the quoted model. This condition is with respect to the particular product and model, my lord. The quoted model should be US FDA and UC certified. The UC certificate should be issued from so and so. Next come, my lord, this is the condition with respect to the manufacturer. Condition number 2, my lords. Condition number 2 and condition number 4. Condition number 2, the line begins with the manufacturer of the quoted product should have an EN ISO 13485 certificate issued from the notified body or ICMED 13485 with or without plus certificate issued by certifications bodies accredited by NACB or ISO 13485 certificate issued from a certificate body accredited by NSBSB or Nationally Recognized Accreditation Board under IAF MLA, my lords. This is the certification with respect to the manufacturer, my lords. First one is with respect to the particular product we are supplying. Second is with respect to the manufacturer, my lord. And condition number 4, my lord.
Not even a product, it is a model.
Model.
It may be ultrasonography machine, may be of a different.
Correct, model.
Is a model, particular
that's
model.
Why intentionally it has been used quoted model, my lord, in the first condition. And the condition number 4, my lord, again a certification which has to be acquired by the manufacturer. 3 also, my lord. The quoted model should comply with IEC 60601 /2-37 or equivalent. This is the basic electrical standard, my lord, which the machine should comply with. This is not a certification but a standard which the machine needs to be complied with, my lord. With respect to this condition, my lord, if the successful bidder fulfills all those four conditions, my lord, four, my lord, the quoted model of the medical device must be registered under CDSO, that's the Government of India Enterprises, my lord, and submit the license to the manufacturer for sale or for distribution of the medical device.
Not manufacturer. And submit the license to manufacture.
Manufacture, my lord. License to manufacture.
Manufacturer.
My apology, my lord. I misread it.
For sale or for distribution
of the medical device, my lords. Yes, my lords. So I'm coming to the CDSO certification now, my lords. Page 820. India, my lords, which also a part of the Philips USA. Lordships, this is license number, my lord. This is CDSO. My lord.
You're referring 820?
Yes, my lord, 820. CDSO certification, my lord. This CDSO certification is with respect to the manufacturer to manufacture or market, my lords. The first, it starts with Majors Philips India Limited, who is the manufacturer in the instant case, my lord. Manufacturer of the product, Philips India Limited, has been licensed to manufacture for sale or distribution of the below listed medical devices at the premises situated at Philips India Limited, plot number so and so, and telephone so and so, my lords. And the machine, which I'm manufacturing, my lords, at serial number 1. That's Affinity 17 Diagnostic Ultrasound System, my lords. So the successful biller has qualified with respect to CDSO registration, my lords. That's not in dispute.
The thing is, when you talk about the model, it is not a talking about the device. And when 117 put the 4 conditions to follow, and it does not say that either of the conditions have to be followed. If all 4 are mandatory, if one is lacking, then will you? That's the question.
Yep, I'm satisfying. I'm just satisfying.
That's the first. He is banking upon the first clause.
Yes.
That the quoted model should be the USFDA.
Grateful.
And EUCE certified.
Grateful, my lord.
That means it should have been certified
by USFDA.
Now to whom?
To whom? The model, my lord. The quoted model, not the manufacturer, my lords. What they have been trying to do in the whole writ petition, my lords, they are.
So that is what I asked. That if it is only relatable to a model,
yes,
then any manufacturer, even across the globe, who is manufacturing, is not required to approach, because this is already certified by USFDA. I am manufacturing this specification. I do not. So certified means there must be a general certification or a specific certification.
Yes.
What is done?
So specific certificate.
Specific. Then it must be issued to every manufacturer who is manufacturing that particular model and does not relate to a model and then use omnibusly.
Grateful, my lord.
Only the product.
You are saying this. You are grateful, but you are arguing differently.
Just I'm trying to clarify, my lords. What my lords, what's coming from my lord is that
with ISO certification, we are not concerned with any CDSCO because he has not raised any concern.
The only certification my lords is concerned is USFDA and UCE. USFDA and UCE certification. That's the both certificate.
That's why he has quoted the certificate number.
Yes, my lord.
And the certificate number appears from his document. Relying on belongs to other company, not Philips India Limited.
My lord.
But Philips Ultrasound Shanghai Company Limited. This is what he says.
Lordships, what he is relying, my lords. Annexure 7. Lordship, might kindly see what's 833. The nature of the document, my lords. 833. The Philips USA, my lords. It has different sub-manufacturer, my lords. The details can be found in the UCE certificate, my lords. Lordship might kindly come to the next that explains in details with respect to different entities how the certificate is given, my lord. Page 805. At the point number 1, my lords, there are 2 compulsory requirements, my lord. First is US FDA certification, my lord. Second is EUC certification. Both are compulsory for the particular model, my lords. Now coming, my lord, this is EC certificate. It's Philips Ultrasound Inc., the same company in USA, my lords. Then, my lords, kindly come to page number 808. That's a continuation of the certification, my lord. How these certificates are given, my lords. For the particular product, my lords, and the subcontractors. It includes Philips India Limited. Second is Philips Medical System Netherlands.
That is what is I am saying. Sir, 117 does not say either or.
Yes, my lord.
It says and.
Yes, my lord.
So it is both the US FDA and EU certificates are mandatory.
Yes, my lord.
So if the EU certificates have indicated every, I would say the subsidiary or any company.
Yes, my lord.
Which is incorporated in any country as a separate entity, which under the corporate law is well known.
Yes, ma'am.
Then in that event, that's why they have used this particular Philips India Limited as a part of that. Whether this Philips India Limited has been used in US FDA certification.
Yes, my lord. Also, what my humble submission is that, my lords, there are difference between the working style and certification of different agencies, my lords. What US FDA certification says, that's my instruction, my lords. What US FDA certification says, my lord,
Sir,
it is only...
You are a tendering authority.
Yes, my lord.
When you know that these are the problems which come, then you should have made a very, very, very specific awareness in that particular tender document. There was no fetter on your part to incorporate any conditions in the tender document.
Lordship, on
the tender inviting authority, you can.
Lordship, on the same, Lordship, all due respect, my lord, on the 2023 tender, my lords, they came out successful. The same Hosco, my lords, with the same certification, they never disputed. Now, as they came in they came L2 in this particular tender, my lord, now they're disputing the US FDA certification.
They say that my certification cannot be questioned.
Yes, my lord. What I'm saying, my lords, the US...
Their certification cannot be questioned. And if they have raised a doubt on the certification of the L1, then will you say that you will not take into account? This is what they want to say. That corroborates their stand that even an EU certificate which is there incorporates Philips India Limited. As a separate
the EU certificate gives it to the Pune company, Pune manufacturer.
Lordships, the US FDA certifications, my lords, as per what my instruction says, they never describe all those subsidiary sub-manufacturers under it's given to a particular model globally only, my lord.
The company is Philips Ultrasound.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Netherlands.
And so they are incorporated in another part of the, I think, the globe.
Yes, my lord.
Netherlands
country. But since they have their existence global in every country, so they have incorporated as their subsidiary companies in every country and under the particular country's corporate law.
Grateful.
So they have been incorporated in India. They have to comply all the laws applicable to the company in India. They cannot take advantage of the corporate law of the another country. So if they have a separate entity as a subsidiary, then in that event, what is your perception?
Lordships,
what is the corporate law says about it? Let me understand. You are going to such an extent. Let us understand that what is the implication or nuances of a company being incorporated under the Companies Act of the country, though the parent holding company is registered in another part of the world.
If I'm correct, my lord, I'm just trying to understand, my lord, what's coming from my lord is that whether this US FDA certification that's at page 72, which mentions 732, which mentions with respect to Philips Ultrasound Inc. It has been issued to Philips Ultrasound Inc. That's not in.
Right.
No, my lord, 732.
That is another certificate. No,
my lord, this is the US FDA certificate.
Oh, this is what they say, but it was registered to a Sanghar. That is what they say.
Yes, my lords. Now I'm coming, my lords. First, my lords, let's coming to the certificate. What the certificate particular number is, the standard is. It's not just US FDA. It's US FDA 510K. That is a particular standard for which US FDA issues the certificate, my lords. 732 is a particular certificate, US FDA 510K, my lords. At the first para, we have reviewed your section 510K, that is the regulatory provision of US FDA, my lords, which needs to be complied with if somebody wants to get a certificate for the particular model from US FDA, my lords. We have reviewed your section 510K, pre-market notifications of intent to market the device referred above, and have determined the device is substantially equivalent for the indications for use stated in the enclosure to legally marketed predicate devices marketed in the interstate commerce prior to so and so, and the enactment date of the medical device amendments or the devices so and so do not that yet that do not require approval of a pre-market approval application PMA. You may, I lay emphasis, my lord, you may therefore market the device subject to the general condition provisions of the Act. Although this letter refers to your product as a device, that is the Affinity 17 diagnostic ultrasound machine, my lords, as a device, please be aware that some cleared products may instead be combination of products, my lords. So this particular certificate was given to the Philips Ultrasound Inc., my lords, for manufacture of a particular product, that's a 70 affinity, my lords, and to market it globally, my lords. It's a global certification for a particular model, not for a particular manufacturer only, my lords. And lordship, what? Unlike the USA certificate, my lord, which explains all those sub-manufacturers also, my lords, what my instruction says, US FDA certification only says about the model. The REK 182857, that's a number, my lords, that is given, this certificate number is given to the particular product, that is Affinity 70 diagnostic ultrasound machine. Not, this number is not given to Philips Ultrasound Inc.
He quoted the same product with the another US FDA number given to him by the same US Food and Drug.
Petitioner.
No difference.
Petitioner. No, sir.
No, not yes, petitioner.
No, petitioner has not given.
Yes, he has given.
Sir, petitioner certification is a different model.
No, the same model.
No, sir, different models.
No, the same model. I was going
petitioner. So petitioner model, if you also kindly see, Malad. I'll just show that. The page 190. Page 190, let's see, kindly see. That is T2 certificate, Malad. 190. The model is different.
No, same model.
Specification. But it's the same machine, but the model number would be different.
Yes. Model number is different.
Would be different. Yes. There's a lot of respect to my learned senior friends there. The entire process is probably not very clear to them.
No. Just a minute. It's clear, sir. I'll explain that. Sir, page 190.
Especially the tendering authority.
The model is there. Lordship looks at.
Ultrasound must be with 4 probes. So 190.
That is, name of the model is MYLAV X8 EXP.
Correct.
Model number.
The model number is a difference.
Right.
The model is something because the model is 510K, which they have said.
So the ultrasound machine 4 probe is correct. But model number is different, and the
510K is the regulatory provision, my lords, for which the US FDA certificate is given. That's clear from 732 page, my lord. There's a particular provision, 510K.
But kindly, my lord, if I may, my lord, interject here, kindly let my learned friend show your lord.
It is also under 510K.
Yes, my lord, 510K. But the model number is different.
Model number? It's the same device. And there will be a one, according to him, it is given to a model. I believe that I do not think that it has been correctly done. What he says is.
Okay, can I explain, my lord? My friend has argued. I'll just explain, clarify your lordship.
Because the way he's arguing, I think that is strengthened more the case of the petitioner.
But I'll just explain within 2 minutes, my lord. Just give me 2 minutes, my lord. Give me 2 minutes. If I don't explain, then your lordship. But kindly look at page 732. This is our certification of US food drugs, my lord.
Correct.
This certificate is a product certificate, my lord. The model certificate.
Correct.
Model number is K182857, my lord. The number is given.
Yes.
If your lordship looks at page 100 page 805.
This is the model number or is a US FDA?
No, sir, it's a model number. It's a model, same model number is used by Shanghai also. If your lordship looks at.
Correct. Let's see.
That is exactly I wanted to show.
Correct.
Page
833.
833, my lord.
833.
Right.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
But 833, sorry.
Yes, I got.
Yes, 833, establishment, registration and device listing.
Correct.
Well, I got it.
Yeah.
But this establishment, registration and device listing means they have to register under FDA for the purpose of exporting this product. Product is K8182857. This is the model number.
Right.
To US for commercial marketing. But we have also this Indian manufacturer is also got the same certificate. Lordship looks at. But we did not file because it was not required on the tender document. Right.
This is a new document and I don't know what it is.
Because it's not required.
Because he says that he has not been given an opportunity to file the counter.
Counter, right.
So he is placing those.
Very well.
He is also downloading from the same.
Yes, madam. So kindly look at this document.
If my learned friend is there, my counterpart there, if he has a copy, he can take a screenshot and send it to me so that I can.
Who is the counterpart?
Mr. Tanmay is there, Miller.
Given, already given.
And then give.
It's already given, sir. Already. This is for establishment, registration and device listing. If your lordship looks at the device number is same document. This is K182857.
I received, but Philips India Limited.
Philips India Limited.
I got it.
Well,
so that is what I say.
No,
same US Food and Drug.
That is Shanghai.
That is. What is notice is that both India. The documents, I do not know, from this 833, it appears that they must have downloaded it from the official website of the US Food and Drug.
Right.
You have also downloaded this document from the US Food and Drug.
Because we have registered.
But it appears that, yes, there they have shown as the Shanghai. Now it is shown as the Philips India Limited.
India. Right, India. So this is for exporting the product.
The distinction.
What is the distinction?
Same document, Bharat.
US Food and Drug Administration.
Yes.
Correct.
This document you see, that is FDA.
FDA, US Food and Drugs. That is the complete certificate.
US is not there. In 833,
yes.
US word is not there. Here it is there. Here full form is.
No, what my brother is saying that there is some kind of a difference between this document and 833.
Sir.
If it is downloaded from the official website,
right,
then they claim that they have also downloaded it from the official website.
So this is our certification.
Well, there is one more thing I may point out. Kindly see the last specification developer, not a manufacturer.
Yes.
Specification developer.
Not pre-validated result. Anyhow, so this is what the certificate number is given.
Here Shanghai word is not there, and you see registered establishment number that varies.
Right, sir.
From your document which you have supplied to us.
Yes.
Registered establishment number column, you see that
Different.
page 833, it starts with 30054.
Sir.
But here it is 3033.
The registration number is 892-892-1560 is 1550.
Different establishments.
So it's a different establishment. This is India. That is Shanghai.
But I am saying there is a variance. And this logo is also
yes.
This
So this is a screenshot we have taken.
But I find the owner or operator number is same.
Yes.
Operator number is same.
Same product mirror. Same product name cannot be different.
Later when I say,
sir,
it is used at page 833 is a manufacturer.
Yes.
And in this document it says a specification developed.
Sir, US, but this is a certificate issued.
That actually means, sir.
This establishment registration device is there, my lord. Kindly see, I have given the document.
Sir, 834 makes it clear.
Sir, I have given that.
834, page 834. That makes it clear that this document may not be from the website of web portal of US.
What is this? What is this?
So this document shows that this registration is required for this purpose. For front page it is mentioned, my lord. Establishment that involves in production and distribution of medical device.
No, establishments that are involved in the production and distribution of the medical devices
in the United States.
Commercial distribution in the United States.
Yes.
Including those that are imported for export only. Are required to register annually with the FDA.
Yes.
FDA that are required to register are also required to list the devices.
Correct.
And the activities performed on those devices at that establishment.
That is 833.
So Shanghai supplies to America.
So Shanghai supplies to America.
Do one thing. Bring those the facts by way of an affidavit.
Sir, I am filing the counter also.
We are inviting to file a
Sir,
Lord, in the meantime, let them not finish off the work orders.
No. 58.
will it be my lord's pleasure to fix it on a
Number
date?
17.
Will it
Yes. Item number 17.